Welcome back to CP's Garage, where today we are at Ray's shop working on a 2019 F550 Super Duty with the most common coolant leak. Today we have a hose from Dorman that promises to fix this common problem with these hoses blowing off and leaking. As you can see, this one's been leaking with all that white gunk sitting on the hose. This is a pretty easy change. You'll just have to take off a clamp there, clamp here, clamp there, and a clamp there. You will need to reuse the connectors because Dorman, like Motorcraft, does not send a new clamp, but it's alright. For this, you'll need a trim tool and either needle nose pliers like this or a actual hose clamp tool. I have needle nose pliers. They are cheap Icon ones, 20 bucks from Harbor Freight. So we'll just start doing this. We'll take off the clamp on the degas bottle first. And as you can see, it locked itself in there, which will be nice. Then we'll take this clamp off. And we'll go after this clamp. We'll push that one down since the heat shielding's in the way. And the back one, that one is a nightmare, and you need to be very, very careful because that nipple likes to break. So I will be right back once I get that clamp off. Alright, we carefully got this clamp off. So what we'll do is we'll just start changing these one at a time so we don't leak any coolant into the engine bay, or we'll at least leak minimum. Hopefully. Alright, so we got this one off. We'll do one hose at a time so we'll minimize the leakage. Looks like the coolant's a little low anyways. So we should be good. See if I can find a place to put this phone so I can change this. You guys can see it. So we'll pull up on this very carefully. Cover it so no coolant gets away. We'll slip that on just for temporary purposes. We'll steal the clamp. Readjust myself. Get the clamp ready to go. Clamp is on, hose is on, and then we'll put the clamp on with the new hose. Put it where we can get to it next time. So there's one of the 4 connections. Since we're in this vicinity, we'll get this one next. This one usually it's hard to come off, but give it a twist with the pliers, it'll come right off. And since the clamp is already on there, we can just slide that hose on. Come on. Then we can fight with the clamp a little bit to get it up. Get the pliers. Okay, we'll set the clamp on. Sometimes I just don't like to play nice. So we'll slip the clamp on. Try to get a little bit further than right at the edge. clamp. Move the clamp back around to the top. Or attempt to anyways. I don't like the way that clamp fits either. Okay, so next one, we'll go right here. Again, carefully loosen the hose. Cover the end, because it is going to leak a little coolant. We'll put the other hose on it just so it doesn't leak all over the place. Grab the hose clamp, do it all over again. Pop the clamp. Pop the clamp off. Then we got one more connection to make, and that's down here. On this hose, it looks like it's going to need rotated. Nope. We'll just take that off. This clamp will slide off. Slide the new clamp on the hose. Or slide the clamp on the new hose. And voila. The hard part's done. So now we'll just follow the old hose. Pop off all the plastic clamps. Plastic holders, Christmas trees, whatever you guys call them. Put the new Christmas trees in it. They're a fair bit tougher to get down. Plastic clips on it again, so the routing's correct. And I'll just kind of slide this thing out of the way. Oops. That one Christmas tree right there. Get rid of this problem child. Oops. Come on, baby. Clip in. Clip in. We'll have to adjust this clamp a little bit, or this clip a little bit. Alright, we got this hose fully installed. This clamp fit great. This Christmas tree is a little tight. Same with this one. This Christmas tree up here is very, very tight, and you may have to trim some off of it. This hose clamp went on great, but the biggest problem is right here on the EGR. This hose is too large for the EGR cooler itself, so we had to use a fuel injection hose clamp to get it tight enough that I would feel safe running it. So if you guys are thinking about using this Dorman, hose, just remember you'll have to get an extra hose clamp and trim up these Christmas trees a little bit so they go on. So thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. See ya.